Have you ever wondered how AI can recall information like a human brain? Well, the answer lies in a fascinating type of neural network known as bidirectional associative memory, or BAM for short. BAM is all about storing and recalling pattern pairs. Think of it as a bridge between two sets of information, allowing for a two-way recall process. It's like hearing a piece of music and being instantly reminded of a specific moment in your past. Now, one of the key properties of BAM is its use of bipolar representations. This is a step beyond simple binary data, creating deeper, more meaningful connections between data pairs. It's a bit like the difference between recognizing a face and remembering a name. Both pieces of information are important and interconnected. However, there is a common misconception that every bipolar, binary, or real-valued matrix is bidirectionally stable. The truth is, stability in BAM depends on specific conditions being met. It's not just about the nature of the matrix. Another crucial property of BAM is its capacity limit. The number of pattern pairs that BAM can store accurately is typically less than the minimum dimension of the input and output vectors. This underlines the importance of balance in the system. Too much or too little information can throw things off kilter. But here's the kicker: BAM ensures unique connections between patterns. One input pattern leads to one specific output pattern, and vice versa. This ensures clarity and precision in the recall process. It's all about creating one-to-one connections, just like how a single key opens a specific door. However, it's important to clarify a major misconception. BAM's efficiency and stability aren't guaranteed for every type of matrix. The effectiveness of BAM lies in its specific application and the operational rules it follows. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, but when used correctly, it can be incredibly powerful. And BAM isn't just a theoretical concept. It's used in a wide range of real-world applications, from image recognition to data retrieval. These applications highlight its role in enhancing how machines understand and interact with the world, positioning BAM as a crucial element in the development of AI technologies. In conclusion, BAM exemplifies the incredible advancements in artificial intelligence. It's about more than just data storage. It's about creating meaningful connections that can be recalled swiftly and accurately. With BAM, we see the potential for AI to mimic and perhaps one day even surpass human memory and learning capabilities.